Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smart bird feeder camera is recording birds but the AI bird identification feature isn't working, it can take away one of the best parts of owning a smart feeder. You may receive videos and motion alerts, yet the app never displays the bird's name, species, or identification results. In most cases, this isn't caused by the camera lens or the feeder itself. AI recognition depends on clear images, the latest app and firmware, an active internet connection, and the correct feature settings. Before assuming the AI service has stopped working, there are a few simple checks that are worth trying. In this video, I'll show you the steps you can follow to restore AI bird identification. 1. Enable AI bird identification in the camera or app settings. 2. Verify the camera has a stable internet and Wi Fi connection. 3. Clean the camera lens for sharper bird images. 4. Update both the app and the camera firmware. 5. Adjust the camera angle to capture a clear view of the feeding area. 6. Record a new bird visit and check whether the species is identified.